Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we explore how to make object highlight masks. Start by identifying key areas that need emphasis, such as edges, surfaces, or focal points. Then create a selection and refine it using Mask Overlay mode. Apply the mask to a curves or exposure adjustment layer to gently increase brightness and contrast only where needed. Use low opacity brushes to maintain smooth transitions and avoid harsh highlights. Optional enhancements include stacking multiple highlight masks for layered depth. Object highlight masking helps guide viewer attention and improves clarity in professional visuals.